And ROAR means respect, on time, aware, and responsible. These are our 4 behavior expectations with PBIS. So on these next clips, what I want you to do is determine which one of these 4 expectations this clip gives an example of, and if it's a good or bad example. So let's go. Clip 1. And again, these examples do come from my family. So here's clip 1, again, from my using my family for these behavior expectations. Here you go.
Hey, so here I am just chilling on my iPad when all of a sudden, out of nowhere, comes a thing. Jason, I need your help. Jason, come over here. I need your help with something. Can you get off the iPad, please? What shall I do? Shall I go help? Nah. I gotta really look at this. No. Jason! Jason! This is so relaxing. Just to sit here and do nothing. Hey, so which behavior expectation is this? Respect, on time, aware, or responsible? So we'll give you a couple seconds here to think about what expectation did this model. And if you picked respect, you are correct. It was respect on you have to follow people's directions when people ask. And a definite shout out goes to my wife. Sorry, hon, when I do this. That is my bad.
Daddy, get me food.
I also have laundry to clean. I also have dishes to clean. And also that kid to feed. I'm so tired. I'm sorry. I'm just going to read this. So which expectation is this? Respect, on time, aware, or responsible? I'll give you 5 seconds to think. Hey, and if you picked responsible, you are correct. So the big idea here is you have to do what you're supposed to do even though it's not fun. So I know laundry and feeding your kids aren't fun, but you gotta do it. Hey, and this is definitely one of them that has to be worked on for those of you who do not like to do homework. You're first to blame the teacher, your parents, or something else when you don't learn something, but the last person to blame is yourself. And if you don't do homework, guess what? You don't learn. Hey, and this is clip number 3. Oh no, it's 8 a.m. and I'm on the couch and I fall asleep. What's going to happen? Am I going to make it to work? Alright, so does this model respect, on time, aware, or responsible? I'll give you about 5 seconds to think. Hey, and if you picked on time, ready, you are correct. You have to go to sleep at night and you got to wake up on time. Alright, get here on time. Don't be late. Clip 4. Alright, Jessica, why are you getting that? Come on, hurry up. We gotta go. Beep. 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 Hey, is this respect, on time, aware, or responsible? And again, that beeping was supposed to be cussing. I'm supposed to go over cussing. I don't know if that was obvious or not. But get another 5 seconds. Thanks. Hey, and if you picked respect, correct language, you are correct. Again, hopefully when you see me cussing, right, cussing in front of a kid is not really an appropriate thing to do. And cussing, cussing in school is not appropriate to do. So let's not do that either. And now, it is time for clip 5.
I want to go through walks again.
Come on.
I want to climb up the stairs.
Alright, come on, Keegan.
Let's go. Let's go, Linnea. Time to go.
Not fair!
Alright, no more repeating this. 5 seconds. Think about it. Alright, so if you picked respect, don't talk back to adults, that is correct. Alright, so again, when you start 4-year-olds, that's when people start kind of talking back, acting like that. And again, some people still do it in middle school, and some people unfortunately still do it as an adult. So let's not do that at all. All right, I can guarantee you, Linnea's doing this now, but by the time she's 10 or 11, this just it will not happen because we're gonna get this out of her now. So again, respect. Don't do it, people. Don't do it. It's clip 6. Clip 6.
Pick your garbage up, babe. Pick it up. It's over there in the room.
Just like skating.
We'll put it in the garbage. The garbage. Why are you recording that?
Why not? All right, 5 seconds. Pick which one you think, and again, try the trash. Thanks. Hey, so this is respect, follow directions, and I know the previous example was a bad example for my daughter, but this example is a good example, and this is how my daughter is mostly, so I just wanted to make sure that we're not raising a terror here or anything.
Clip number 7.
The students, why don't they listen? They hear me. They don't listen.
Dear students, I was wondering if you're listening to me. Dear students, are you listening clearly? Dear students, are you just relaxed? Dear students, I was wondering if you're listening. Dear students, are you just listening? Dear students, you can waste it. Dear students.
See, I was wondering if you had the free time just to try and complete your homework. Because you see, I feel a little laziness. Wishing you would work harder. And figure out problems that don't seem right. Is it really something that stops you? Or is it bad? It's just what you do. Have a little trust and listen to what I say. If there are obstacles, let me know. That it. Boom. Dear students.
All right, last one. 5 seconds. Pick what you think it is. Alright, so if you picked aware, safe, you were correct. So in this case, the theme was don't be risky with your safety. Again, so driving like that with the camera, that wasn't the best idea for me. But for school, I would say mostly that I see there is like play fighting, people pushing each other. Again, most of the time, yeah, no one gets hurt, but there's always that time when someone gets hurt. So again, for me, if I play around, I can get in an accident like that, driving like that. For you, again, you can get a fight or really seriously hurt somebody. So please be safe.
All right. So what was the point of this video? Is again, obviously this is using my family to respect on time, aware, and responsible. But I would argue again, you need to be this in your family. You need to be this in school. You need to do this in your job. You need these characteristics for your whole life to be successful. You need to be able to respect authority. If you don't respect authority, guess what? You end up in jail sometimes. You end up losing your job because you talk off to the boss. On time. You've got to show up on time. I don't care if you're a superhero or a star. You still have to be on time. You got to be on time to your concerts. If you're some big time rap star or a big time sports star, you got to get to the game on time. You got to be on time. These are habits you need to do now. You have to be aware. You have to be safe. You don't want to, again, drive like 100 miles an hour on the road and get in an accident and get really hurt or die. So you got to be aware. You got to be safe and you got to be responsible. You got to take up responsibility. Do things you don't like doing. Everybody does it. You think anybody at the school likes everything what they have to do? No. You got to be responsible. You got to do things you don't like to do to get what you want to do, to get accomplishment. Right? Again, spending like 2 or 3 hours making this, is that awesome to do for me? No, but I want to be responsible. You guys? For my kids. So let's say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. See you guys.